Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Embor Travel Laptop Backpack. You can get this product on Amazon for about $31. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality backpack. The anti-theft lock is very convenient and very easy to use. The backpack has an external USB charger port and headphone jack, and if you attach a power bank, you can charge your smartphone, tablet or other devices very conveniently on the go. The backpack is very versatile and you can use it as a business backpack, a computer bag, a traveling bag and for school or college. It has enough space for a laptop, a mobile phone, a tablet, documents, books, a water bottle and more. So if you're looking for a not so expensive but good quality laptop backpack with an external USB charger port and an anti-theft lock, I would recommend the Embor Travel Laptop Backpack. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.